Moving over to the Markets tab, the primary function of this page is to identify all the exchanges that a given cryptocurrency is listed on. So for this example with Ethereum, we already know it's going to be listed on every single exchange, being that it is number 2 in market cap, top tier in popularity, as well as being an OG in the crypto game since it came back out in 2015. So the main focus with this page would be this trust score on the right hand side. We always want to select an exchange that has a green trust score, as one, this would show the reputability with the exchange. 2, it would show that it has ample liquidity and trading volume. And 3, it shows that the slippage fees are quite minimal, so that way we're not eating away from our profits or really losing too much crypto when we're converting from crypto to crypto. So as long as we pay attention to those factors, we'll always pick a great exchange. For Ethereum, it's kind of tough to pick a terrible exchange, but when we have smaller projects that may not be listed on every reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, this is definitely a great place to consult so that way we're able to make sure that we're getting to an exchange that I can trust and not have to worry about my money getting taken away, scammed, stolen, or rug pulled in any fashion. So definitely stick to the markets page to identify where to make your trading opportunities.